Welcome to Microlearning for Impactful Messaging, a concise guide to using short, focused lessons to improve both internal and external communication. In this talk, we'll explore how bite-sized content designed for mobile and quick consumption can sharpen clarity, speed decision-making, and create a unified brand voice across channels. In this slide, we contrast internal and external messaging. Internally, the goal is performance clarity through frequent, top-down, and peer-to-peer flows, while externally the focus is trust and engagement with targeted, scheduled touchpoints. The visual highlights how syncing both sides with microlearning nuggets prevents tone mismatch and creates one coherent narrative for the brand. This page defines our microlearning approach as bite-sized, mobile-first modules that fight information overload and deliver measurable impact. You'll see metrics showing a boost in retention and faster development time, and examples like policy updates and crisis replies that benefit from rapid, modular delivery to keep teams informed and responsive. Here we ground microlearning in cognitive science. Short bursts plus spaced intervals target working memory and reinforce neural pathways. The diagram shows a cycle of initial learning and repeated reviews with gaps to strengthen long-term recall, and the business payoff is higher on the job application and audiences that actually remember key messages. This slide outlines a story-driven scripting arc. Start with a clear pain point. Add a real scenario to illustrate the challenge, then close with a single visible action the learner can take. The delivery loop pushes content through messaging apps, encourages application within workflows, gathers feedback, and tracks KPIs to refine future lessons. The feedback flow is simple. One-click microlesson polls feed a dashboard that tracks sentiment, trends, and topic engagement. These real-time insights let communications teams tune tone, timing, and content while giving employees a voice so they feel heard and valued, creating a continuous improvement loop backed by data. Customers scan rather than read, so structure content into micro formats mapped to the buyer journey. Carousel posts for awareness, short 60-second videos for consideration, and SMS snippets for decision prompts. The flow shown emphasizes consistency across channels and warns against channel hopping without unified branding to preserve message clarity. When reputation is fragile, speed and clarity beat length. Start with pre-approved 100-word statements. Pair them with a short, frequently asked questions module for staff, and publish internally and externally at the same time. The minute-by-minute schedule on this slide shows drafting, approval, release, and monitoring steps that drive stakeholder alignment and suppress rumors. A single core story can be chunked differently for employees, investors, and customers to maintain strategic intent and brand voice. The matrix maps micro-content types to preferred channels and success metrics, so each audience gets the right format, short snippets for employees, executive summaries for investors, and social demos for customers, while preserving one coherent narrative. Our governance framework keeps microlearning compliant, consistent, and optimized. Enforce a 30-second cap for lessons, run a 24-hour feedback loop for rapid review, and measure monthly KPIs like reach and engagement. The lightweight model assigns content owners, scheduled review cycles, and analytics tools to ensure steady improvement and brand alignment. This rapid 48-hour starter plan lays out a playbook from announcement to ROI. Day 1 focuses on strategy and scripting. Early production and deployment follow quickly, then measurement and analytics capture initial engagement. The final step is rapid iteration based on data, proving value before scaling, and turning early wins into sustainable programs. Microlearning is a communication mindset, not just a tactic. Prioritize brevity, eliminate ambiguity, and build continuous feedback into every message. Leadership should budget for micro-authoring tools, reward concise storytelling, and embed this as the organization's default voice, so clarity and engagement become the standard across teams.